It was upon a Lammas night when corn rigs are bonny. Beneath the moon's unclouded light I held a while to Annie. The time went by with careless heed till 'tween the late and early. With small persuasion she agreed to see me through the barley. Corn rigs and barley rigs and corn rigs are bonny. I'll not forget that happy night among the rigs with Annie. The sky was blue, the wind was still, the moon was shining clearly. I set her down with right goodwill among the rigs of barley. I kenned her heart was all my own, I loved her most sincerely. I kissed her o'er and o'er again among the rigs of barley.